We all love fiber. It's an amazing way to get terabytes of data across to you, and we do fully use it. But sometimes terabytes per second is not enough, especially as we go into 5G and hyperscale data centers. We need thousands and thousands of fibers to empower this digital transition. Maybe we need something about the fiber itself to change? How about we make the existing fiber double as capable? Doesn't seem enough? How about we try 4 times? Introducing Multiverse. A fiber with 4 universes inside it. Same dimension as of existing ones, but with 4 cores. Leveraging space division multiplexing, SDM technology, to gain 4 times transmission capacity per fiber. That results in 2. High capacity per cell site in 5G networks. Quadruple data center connectivity. Quantum computing feasibility. Carbon footprint reduction. Multiverse fiber for a future-proof network infrastructure.